A car floating away in high waters, dozens of water rescues today. This dramatic video, just one of the water rescues from Dolphin Street near I-65 at the height of an afternoon flash flooding event in Mobile. Hi there, and thank you for looking in tonight. I'm Lenise Lagan. It's good to have you here. Let's go right now to Fox News reporter Lee Peck, who's at Dolphin Street near Spring Hill Medical Center, where there were definitely some problems. And Lee, that dramatic video came in at the height of the flooding.
That's right, Lenise. A dramatic water rescue caught on camera. It's one of dozens Mobile Fire Rescue responded to this afternoon. Take a look. We needed the rain.
Oh, there's a car that's strong.
But not this much.
Oh my God, Fred.
This video sent in from Dolphin near Spring Hill Medical Center. Take a closer look.
Oh my God, Fred. Oh my God.
As the car goes under, the driver is being pulled out from the window.
I am stuck at the nursing home, and it is flooded. Dolphin Street is a no-no.
And just minutes later, the dark blue Dodge Charger, also seen in the first video, is on the move.
Oh my God, is the Charger moving by itself? Oh my God! Oh my God, the Charger is moving!
Oh my God, the phrase of the day as the car floats away.
Oh my God, the car is going down the service road. Are you freaking kidding me? Did y'all see the car? Oh my goodness.
Now to Florida Street, where they were having issues of their own.
These cars are having a real problem. That one's about to lose it right there. I wouldn't do that. They're going to be stalled out.
If you listen closely, you can hear sirens in the background, likely responding to water rescues. And all that water needs somewhere to go. Oakley's Selma Street overwhelmed by the flash flooding. It all serves as a reminder.
Oh my God, Fred.
That Mother Nature.
Oh my God, is the Charger moving by itself?
Is sometimes unpredictable, especially here in the Port City.